What's good, YouTube? Hope you guys are having an amazing day, and today I'm showing you, get out of the video. Today I'm showing you another modification that you can do to your 1988 Ford Ranger. Hopefully I can get this little thing off today. Should be able to. You just gotta get that off and then you're good. But yeah. So hopefully we can do it today. Interior looking good as always. Back seat looking a little rough, but it's okay. I'm also always wearing this camo sweatshirt in the videos, so yeah, it's great. Tires, Jeep tires, holding up good. Truck bed holding up good. Oh, these, I wish they were brought up more, but I guess you can always bring them up. They just, they just sit like this in the bed. They rusted? No, they're not rusted either, so that's good. But yeah. Oh, I'm going to be getting a new exhaust on the Ford Ranger. Dude, I'm going to be getting a new exhaust on the Ford Ranger. So, hopefully that turns out good. This summer, 2025, new exhaust coming to the Ford Ranger. Hopefully. Bro just likes to ruin my video. Of course. It's pretty cool. But, yeah, let's get on with the video. And, hopefully we can get this antenna worked out. Or this new modification. Okay, so it's warmer in here, that's for sure. Grab this over here. Grab your bullet. You won't need your bullet antenna just yet. I gotta make sure I can get it off. But yeah. Let's see. Gotta line it up. Come on. There we go. Then you gotta unrelease it, or unclamp it, whatever. I think I'm going the right way. Oh, I'm definitely not going the right way. You gotta go this way. You go like this. Okay, honestly, yep, we're good. Yep, we're good. Look at that. All it needed, yeah, you're definitely, I was going to try it with my hands, but yeah, all you need is this bad boy right here, or this one right here, not this. This is, I don't know, just look how, it would look pretty good with a CB radio, but I don't plan on getting a CB radio, so I'm just going to put this in the back seat. I'm going to put this antenna in the back seat without poking a hole through the roof. Holy cow. Oh, and I just hit my head on the roof. I'm just gonna put it back there. Oh, it's bent. Yeah, it's already bent. But I'm gonna install that antenna back on the truck when I go to sell it. Go sell this truck eventually. Because, yes, I will be definitely getting a new truck eventually, one day. I think I brought the bag full of all the stuff you need. Yep, I sure did. Nice. That's gonna be nice and handy in a second. Close that up so it doesn't get cold in there. I don't know how well the audio, so it should just go on like that. Oh, that's gonna look good, I feel like. Let me lay that right there. Let me find one of these like bolt things that will fit well. Wait, I don't know. That seems too skinny. Oh, wait. No, I don't want to strip it either. Let me try this one. It's way too skinny. Let's try... what else? We could try this one. Did I just try this? I just tried that, didn't I? Dadgummit. No! Hopefully I can get that back, because I might even need that one. Never know. Oh, this is going to be it, I feel like. I'm feeling it. I'll grab that bolt in a minute, but I'm feeling like this one might be it. Let's see. Bro, come on. Bro, come on. I'm not trying to fight you on this one. Brother. Come on. Okay. What? You gotta be kidding me. Where's the other one? It's right there. I'll grab it. Bruh. Oh my god. That one rolled even farther. Okay. Let's try a different one this time. Montage, but yeah, here's the antenna. I finally found the correct bolting mounting system for the antenna itself. I had to look back at the antenna, but I finally found that, and yeah, hopefully it should be on there. Doesn't feel like it's here. This is what it. This is all the movement it has. Like not much at all. It's pretty solid on there. Doesn't feel like it's going anywhere anytime soon. Makes the truck, oh my god, it just makes the truck look so much better, honestly. This is gonna get, I'm gonna touch up this with some black like tar stuff or something, just to make it seal better so it doesn't get water in there. It's not getting water in there already, but just to make it look better and prevent stuff from happening in the future. But yeah, the antenna looks good. Yeah, I don't know. I like it a lot, though. Can't wait to wash this beauty. I really can't wait to wash it. Slowly, one by one, everything's coming together. It's just, it makes the truck look more, you know, like, unique. It's smaller, so it's not, you know, in the way. If I were to, like, you won't hit anything now. It's nice. It's really nice, honestly, to have this little bullet antenna with the American flag. It's really cool. The range, it says it shouldn't be too great, like for the range of like the actual audio coming inside the truck, but I think it makes it look so much better. And plus, who uses the radio nowadays? I mean, some people do, but I use Bluetooth, so yep. But looks pretty good, and yeah, I like it. Dirt. Sunset's beautiful. Plow is beautiful. Antenna is looking really beautiful. And yeah, so that was today's vlog. Hope you guys did enjoy. You know, if you didn't, then just go fly a kite. I'm just kidding. I hope you guys enjoyed though. And yeah, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next modification video.